A South Korean activist group, led by North Korean defector Park Sang-hak, launched balloons carrying 200,000 anti-North Korea leaflets, USB sticks with K-pop songs, South Korean dramas, and $1 US bills towards North Korea. This action has escalated tensions, with North Korea threatening to resume sending balloons filled with manure and trash in retaliation. The South Korean government has responded by suspending a 2018 tension-easing agreement with North Korea and preparing to restart frontline military activities, such as live-firing exercises and anti-Pyongyang propaganda loudspeaker broadcasts, which are likely to provoke North Korea further. North Korea had previously started launching trash-carrying balloons into South Korea as a response to similar leafleting activities, with Kim Jong-un's sister, Kim Yo-jong, overseeing the campaign. South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol condemned North Korea's actions and vowed to maintain a strong defense posture in a show of force. The United States conducted a precision-guided bombing drill over the Korean peninsula with a B-1B bomber, the first such drill with South Korea in 7 years. North Korea has historically responded to such U.S. military actions with missile tests. Since 2022, North Korea has significantly increased its weapons testing, aiming to expand its nuclear arsenal and gain leverage in future diplomatic negotiations with the United States.